Shrimpy iTrading Bot Honest Pricing explained what you get for your money. Shrimpy iTrading Bot isn't just another crypto tool. You won't believe how it simplifies automated trading. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for advanced traders. The surprising truth is Shrimpy works for beginners and pros alike, offering portfolio rebalancing, strategy backtesting, and automation across multiple exchanges. Pricing starts with a free plan that includes basic portfolio tracking. Paid plans begin at per month for advanced automation, custom rebalancing strategies, and access to multiple exchange accounts. Premium plans at per month unlock priority support, deeper analytics, and more API integrations. You won't believe how much control you get. Set trade intervals, adjust allocation percentages, and track performance in real time. Most people get this wrong by comparing only the monthly fee. The real value comes from time savings, reducing emotional trading mistakes, and the ability to manage multiple accounts simultaneously. Users often find that even the basic paid plan can improve portfolio performance compared to manual trading. In conclusion, Shrimpy iTrading Bot pricing is flexible and transparent. By understanding plan tiers, automation features, and exchange integration, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether Shrimpy delivers value for your crypto trading goals while saving time and minimizing risk.